Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage small claims court with LegalMatch, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the basics of small claims court. Research the specific small claims court in your area. Check the monetary limits for claims in your jurisdiction. Gather all necessary documents related to your case. This may include contracts, receipts, and any communication relevant to the dispute. Identify the correct defendant to file your claim against. Visit the LegalMatch website to access their resources. Create an account if you don't already have one. Fill out the necessary forms provided for your small claims case. Make sure to include all relevant details and evidence. Once completed, submit your forms as instructed. Pay any required filing fees. After submitting your claim, serve the defendant with the legal notice. This can usually be done through certified mail or by a process server. Wait for the defendant to respond, as they may contest your claim. Consider any settlement options before the court date. Prepare your case for presentation in court. Organize your evidence and list the key points you want to address. Rehearse your presentation to ensure clarity and confidence. Arrive at the courthouse early on the day of your hearing. Dress professionally to make a good impression. Present your case clearly and respectfully in front of the judge. Listen carefully to the judge's questions and respond appropriately. After the hearing, wait for the judge to make a decision. If you win, follow the necessary steps to collect your judgment. If you lose, evaluate whether to appeal the decision. Utilize resources from LegalMatch for further guidance throughout the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.